Yes children, so we are in third sum of exercise 6.1. So this is your diagram and they have said that PQR is equal to PRQ. That means PQR, that is this, PRQ is equal. You have to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. PQS is equal to PRT. Now if you see children, this is your interior angles and the star marked are your exterior angles. And we have learnt in lower classes that interior angle plus exterior angle will always give you 180 degree because they are forming a line and the whole is a straight angle. So this always forms 180 degree. Interior plus exterior. So I have written here interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Now what is interior children for PQR? PQS. So if interior angle is PQR, then exterior angle is PQS. This is 180 degree. Now we'll go to this side. If PRQ is interior, then PRT is exterior. So we can say that PRQ plus PRT is equal to 180 degree. So here interior angle plus exterior is giving 180 degree. Now they have told us PQR is equal to PRQ. So let us find out what is PQR. In this, PQR is equal to 180. If you bring PQS this side, it will become minus PQS. So this is your first equation. It is equal to PRQ. So let us find out what is PRQ. PRQ is equal to 180. If I take PRT this side, it will become minus PRT. And this is your second equation. Now, PQR is equal to PRQ. This is already given in the question. That means your left hand side are equal in first and second equation. So if these two are equal, then your right hand sides are also equal. So you can say 180 minus PQS is equal to 180 minus PRT. And what is the reason children? Because PQR is equal to PRQ, which is given. Right? So when I bring 180 this side, plus 180, if it comes here, it will become minus 180, and 180 minus 180 is 0. So that means it gets cancelled. Minus PQS is equal to minus PRT. Both sides are having negative signs. They also get cancelled. Therefore, PQS is equal to PRT, which we have to do. Hope you understood children. Bye.